Alright, let's play some AirFighters. Why? Why? Oh yeah, go Stealthy. That always works. Yeah! That's what I'm talking about. Die like a man. Just eat it. Just eat it. Do it again, why? Let's do the same dang thing. He looks like he's aiming right at me. I'm so scared. Yeah, he's aiming at me. Why? Yeah! That's what I'm talking about. Gotta admire a man who knows how to die. Let's do it again. Come on, why? Do the same thing. Oh, this is boring. Let's do something else. I'm gonna go Stealthy on why. Going Stealthy means you go below 300 feet and the other person can't see you on their radar. It generally is I'm too high. Generally it does no good, but people keep trying it. Maybe it does good when you're playing your grandma. I don't know. Where's he at? Oh no! Meanie. He tried to shoot me. He tried to shoot me in the back. We don't take kindly to that here in the West. Why? No offense. Oops, I think I wasted one. I think Y's hanging around for a missile. Here you go, Y. I got something for you. A little present. Here, come here. Open up. Come on. I'm gonna crash. I'm sitting there watching that little screen there and watch him die. Ah, he survived. Good job. Good job, Y. You still running away? Here, open up. Let's do it again. And this time, you die for a change. Yeah. Oh, big baby. Come on. That's so common. 3 and they go home to mommy. All right then.